In the last video, we detailed the origin and historical development of the die casting process. In this video, we will introduce you to the principle and workflow of the die casting process. The die casting process uses high pressure to press the molten metal into the cavity of a precision metal mold at a high speed, and the molten metal cools and solidifies under the action of pressure to form a casting. Features of the die casting process include high speed, high pressure, rapid cooling, clean mold, spraying equipment, clamping ferrule, pouring, injection, cooling and solidification, core pulling and mold opening, eject, take out the casting. This is the basic cycle process of die casting. The die casting process is mainly used in automobiles, trucks, engineering vehicles, electrical instruments, telecommunication equipment, transportation, medical equipment and light industrial daily hardware industries. The main parts produced are engine casings, cylinder heads, security product casings, instrument and camera casings and brackets, and electronic equipment casings. In the next video, we will compare and explain the difference between the die casting process and other casting processes. If you are interested, follow us.